phosphorescence photography, and we all thought that those two stones had to be part of the same crystal at one point in time, the energy level in the room started to rise. Now this is about 7 o'clock. Chip had already taken the glamour shots. They just took the phosphorescent shot. Now it's time for the PhDs to take the spectra. They took the phosphorescent spectra of the Hope, and then they took the phosphorescent spectra of the Wittelsbach-Graff. And when they did that, and when it showed up on the computer screen, the first thing out of Jim Butler's mouth was, brothers. They looked almost exactly the same. Now realize, he has tested every blue diamond that the Smithsonian has. And none of the blue diamonds have a phosphorescent spectra that looks anything close to that of the Hope diamond. So now he sees this, he's almost sure, but then he stops himself and he says, well, that's what it looks like. We're still going to have to look at the numbers and see if it really does match. So, okay. Then they look at the infrared spectroscopy in the infrared spectra, and that's what that big machine was that Wu Yi was using my business card to line up, and the infrared spectra looks almost exactly alike between those two stones. So the energy level is starting to really peak at this point, and it's 8:30, 9 o'clock by this time. More testing. They're looking at the UV vis spectra of both diamonds. It's about 9:30 now, and again, the spectra looks almost exact between the two stones. Okay, well, one more test to do, put it in the polarizing microscope. We might as well, because we brought it down. Let's just take a look. Take a look at the graining pattern of the Hope diamond, and you get a certain look all the way around. You're looking at the stone under cross-polaroid plates, looking at the graining inside the stone. They're taking video, they're taking images on the computer of the graining pattern, and it looks pretty cool. Then they put the Wittelsbach-Graff in there, and almost immediately we recognize that it's totally different. And so the balloon that's been growing in that room just bursts, and we're all going, oh, they're not part of the same crystal. We don't think that that would be possible, that the graining pattern would be that much different from the two stones if they were at one point part of the same crystal.